All right, North American Auto Equipment. It's about 8:49 p.m. and we had a big day building this universal lift 11,000 pound floor plate 2-post, and hopefully the logos came in today, because this one didn't have a logo on it, and the customer needed a 14,000 pound drive on, and we picked up this Atlas 14 and we put it together, and we put Teflon tape on all the little air fittings and all the minor assembly stuff that you have to do, and ran the air lines and got everything nice and plumb and square, and she's running nice and smooth. The exhaust shop here. What's the name of the shop going to be? Say again? NOS Custom Exhaust in Wrentham, Massachusetts. 777 Madison Street, Unit 2, left side of the building. Brandon is a expert exhaust fabricator and installer, family business. 3 generations of people doing this right now in his family, and this is a new gig for him. If you need an exhaust system, NOS Custom Exhaust, Wrentham. And if you need an auto lift, call Christy, 866-607-4022. Thank you.